I'm gonna stand here.
Thin skin or thick?
Ano ba siya? Thin or thick?
Thick.
Thick.
Thick. Keratin.
Ha?
Thick.
Thick po.
Okay, so let's go to the layers of your skin. This is the
Stratum corneum.
stratum corneum, okay? This is your enucleated layer. Okay? You don't see any nucleus. Okay, let's go another high power magnification. Nasaan na?
Sa
Yung mga layer. This is your,
yung dark po na nasa taas.
okay, this one.
Yung stratum lucidum po. Ay, stratum
Hindi.
granulosum.
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 Because of your granular layer. This is your granular layer or your stratum granulosum. Okay? At low magnification, you'll see that. Okay? And underneath that is your
Stratum spinosum.
spinosum. This one, this area here is your stratum spinosum. And this layer is your
Stratum basale.
basal layer or stratum basale. Okay? Your stratum basale normally it is the number of cell layer is around 1 to 2 and at most it's 3. Okay, 1 2. Okay, sometimes it's 1 in some parts of the body it's 3, but commonly it's 1 to 2. Well, the thickest layer would be your stratum spinosum. Spinosum, okay? While your granular layer is also thinned out, is thin 1 to 2 layers, and it is quite distinct because of the presence of your sort of granular pigments. That's the highest.
Keratobium. Granule.
Yeah, granule. Okay, this layer. So this is your thick skin. It's thick because of your
Keratin.
thick keratin or stratum corneum. Okay, and also part of your skin. These are your what is this structure here?
Mga sac.
Hindi.
Epidermal peg.
Pegs. Okay, or
Pegs.
retepegs. Okay, retepegs. Underneath is your
Dermal papilla.
dermal papilla, particularly this one, the one going up to the epidermis. You call that the dermal sorry, papilla. Here you have your numerous blood vessels, okay, in your dermal papilla. So okay, that's your thick. This is your thick skin. What else?
May
Anong
thin skin po.
may thick skin ba dyan?
Somewhere there. Pareho po. Ayun po yata.
Ayun. So this is your thin skin. Where high magnification. Again, this is your basal layer, but here the basal layer is pigmented.
Top.
Okay, and the pigment is made up of
Melanin.
melanin pigment. Okay, and this is your stratum spinosum. The granular layer is quite thin. Thin down. Ito. Ay, this one. Okay, see, granular layer.
Parang may dark foot. No?
You have a very thin um, stratum corneum.
Sa itong granulosum pa din po yan, sir. Yung taas po yung corneum.
This one.
Granulosum po.
This one is your granulosum. Yung may pigment. Ito kasi wala na eh. Ito. Okay. Your granulosum is this layer. This one is your corneum, but part of this, as long as you don't have the cells anymore, okay, it's stratum corneum. Medyo at this upper part is just detaching. Okay, that's why it's so it's safe to call this stratum corneum if you don't see any nuclei. Okay, if you see pigment, stratum granulosum, and this one is the safest, stratum spongosum. Spinosum. Okay. Okay, next.
Kidney, ureter, urinary bladder.
So, if this one, what layer of the kidney is this? No.
Cortex. Glomerular.
As long as you see this, what's this?
Ay, corpuscle.
Corpuscles or glomerulus, you are at the cortex. Okay. The medulla is somewhere here. This one is your medulla. There's no more cortex, okay? Only the tubules. Going high magnification. What are these cells? Ha? Anong mga cells to? Making up your epithelial cells of your what do you call this? Letter M.
Mesangial.
Mesangial cells. We call this the mesangial cells. This is your Bowman's capsule. Yep. And this is your Bowman's space. What are these structures?
Proximal convoluted tube.
Okay. It's difficult to see at this level if it is proximal, but I believe it is proximal. Oh.
How do you differentiate it from this one?
Sorry,
Everyone says yay.
everybody. It's been a week I've been coming. Proximal kasi it should have ito I think this is proximal. Parang may sort of cilia siya. And of course the cells are quite plump, malalaki. But at this level, I think it's very much difficult. Okay. So, for now, this one is your mesangial cells, so you can identify. You have the spaces are your capillaries. Okay. The Bowman space. This is your capsule. Bowman's capsule, and these you just call this the tubules, renal tubules. This one, What structure is this?
Bladder urothelium.
Okay, bladder epithelium. Okay, what is the characteristic structure here? What? This is a transitional cell. Okay. Uniform, parang feeling mo parang orange. Yung pag-feel mo ng orange, di ba? Yung fruit. At the surface, what are these cells at the surface?
Buti nagre-record.
Dome-shaped cells. What do you call them? Ano? This one, itong mga cells. Your mga umbrella cells. It prevents diffusion of your urine towards the
Okay, hindi ko black in layer bro.
ano na? Okay, what layer is this? Huh? Muscularis. Okay, and the muscle is made up of smooth muscle. Okay, this is the what area is this? Layer lamina propria. You have your blood vessels and your lymphatics here. Your smooth muscle is discontinuous. It doesn't form a complete ring. Putol-putol and discontinuous. And of course, this is your
So, nag-differentiate po ba kami ng class? Nag-differentiate po kami ng
depende sa question. Pag pinoin to, you should be very careful with how you analyze the question. If the question is identify the layer, okay, or identify the structure, you can say this is muscle layer, lamina muscularis propria, okay, or if the question is what is the what kind of muscle tissue, okay, what kind of tissue is this? It's smooth muscle tissue. What is the epithelium? Okay, pag na-point dito, what is the organ? Doon nagkakatalo. Okay. Ano pa ba meron dito? Ayun. Okay, typically this is your ureter. Okay?
Uretra or ureter?
This is your ureter. Ureter to. Yung parang star shape yung one mo. And you have your lamina propria. Again. The same, the lining epithelium is transitional. And surrounded by smooth muscle layer. Okay? Yes. Muscularis propria. Okay, next.
Epididymis. Epididymis epithelium.
Epithelium. Sigurado ka bang epididymis to?
So di full HD yan. 1080p ba? Full HD.
I don't know.
So, grabe.
Ay pwede ano ba?
Nakakainis ano pag may ubo. What are the structure here? Ha?
Arwin? Sabi niya si epididymis.
Do you agree that this is an epididymis?
Seminal vesicle.
Seminal vesicle? Low power.
Sir, ito po seminal vesicle.
Ha?
Seminal vesicle.
Seminiferous tubules. Okay. These are your
Pugoniad.
spermatogonium, and you have here your
Spermatids.
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 These are spermatids. Okay. And this is your lining epithelium. You cannot identify the Sertoli. It's very difficult. But you can identify around it are your, what's this? Elongated cells? Your myoid.
Myoid.
Peritubular or myoid cells.
Then push out the
Okay, another structure that you should know here are these structures. These cells. What are these cells? Pink cytoplasm, eosinophilic cytoplasm.
Hmm.
Leydig, interstitial cells of Leydig. It's outside the seminiferous.
Baka ito yung red.
Alin?
red
Ito, mga red na to?
Yes.
Ha? Blood yan. Red blood cells.
So, bakit funny yung seminiferous tubule niya?
Ano?
Bakit fatty? Bakit para...
No, it's not fatty, parang one. The cytoplasm is just clearing.
Di ba it's supposed
Oh, medyo degenerated na siya. Hindi na siya yung
supposed to be full of iba-ibang
oh,
cells na iba-ibang
yung layer na gano'n. We can find one. Hindi naman kasi probably there are some.
Just not on this one. Kasi nung kinuha Diri.
Baka matanda na to.
Kasi supposedly you can differentiate the cells.
How about this? What are these? Ano to? Ito na yung epididymis.
That's pattern.
This is a characteristic feature ng one. At low power, you see tubules. But in high power magnification, what you see are epithelial cells. What's the lining of your epididymis? Called columnar epithelium with, what's this? Again?
Stereocilia.
Stereocilia.
Pseudostratified.
Pseudostratified columnar with stereocilia.
They look pretty cool.
Okay, so at this site, this is function, storage of storage and maturation. This is where your sperms becomes motile. Okay, okay, epididymis and
Seminiferous.
Tapos na.
What are you talking about?
Seminal vesicles pala sir. Sorry, seminal
No, we
vesicles.
did seminiferous, seminal. Seminal vesicles. Last one was seminiferous tubules.
Seminal vesicles.
okay.
I was all like, I don't know what gets done.
This one is your classic seminal vesicles when you see this. What's confusing with this? What's the other organ that's can be confused with seminal vesicle? Hindi not prostate, yung fallopian tube. Okay? Just remember your seminal vesicle.
Multiple.
Okay? Though they also have yung itong mga plicae, mga ganito, but at the base, you will see parang aggregates of glands. Okay? Yung ito may mga glands, parang mga bilog-bilog siya. In fallopian tube, the plicae starts from the wall. Nag-start. Ito ang plicae it starts sa parang surface ng mga glands nito. Okay? So don't be confused with this with your ovary or your fallopian
I'm
tube?
figuring.
Where's your fallopian tube?
Fallopian tube ulo tayo.
Ito, tingnan nyo to ha. See?
Ito yung fallopian tube.
Halos pareho lang. But in your fallopian tube, the plicae, itong mga plicae niya, originate sa wall. Okay? Ito, yung mga plicae niya nasa wall. Okay? Ito. Nag-start sila sa wall, yung mga plicae. Wala sila yung mga glands sa ilalim. Ito, may mga plicae ka.
Dok. Dok.
As compared to this one, you have gland-like structures at the wall.
Okay. Dok, pwede po ba namin gawing basis yung color po?
No. You cannot base that in your... Baka may magandang ilabas sa inyo.
What if ito lang yung nakakuha sa
Ah. May hirapan kayo.
Dok, parang hint.
The lining epithelium, of course, you can look at the lining epithelium. Okay. Here, it's, I think, tall columnar. Here, but the fallopian tube is also tall columnar with alternating. May tall columnar plus may cilia ka pa. May cilia. Oh. Yung fallopian tube. Here, but it's difficult. Pero hindi naman kayo papakitaan yan. It's more of the, in the low power. Okay? Like this one, may makikita kayo mga glands sa base. Okay? Ang fallopian tube wala. Straight yan. From yung plicae, dire-diretso yan dun sa baba. Ha? Wala na mga round here. Okay?
Prostate.
Okay. Pangit to.
Pangit. Sorry, wala na.
Ibang prostate na lang. Makukonfuse kayo. Iba.
Wala. Penis.
Ha?
Penis.
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 Nahiya ka ba?
Sila lahat. Sabi ko naman mali na lang kasi.
Siyempre, sa'yo nang galing eh.
Okay. If you see this, there are, ano yung dalawa sa prostate?
Parang penis po yan.
Ah. Ay. Ah, yung, this one is your,
Deep artery.
ha?
Deep artery.
Okay. And this one is spongiosa. You have two cavernosa and spongiosa. Okay, and this one, okay. This is your blood vessels in the central artery. Okay. I think what will be you will be asked to identify, okay, what organ is this, or particularly this one, it will be pointed what is the structure, this one inside, okay, the urethra, but the entire thing, this one is pointed here, spongiosum, okay. Ito. Oops.
Light purple, magenta-ish. These ones. What are those?
The red ones are your small blood vessels.
Blood vessels yan lahat?
Ito, mga veins.
Sorry. No, I was just reading on it.
They are filled with blood. The purple is, ano ba to?
Basta
Tingnan nga natin, ano ba yung one?
Sir, urethral gland? Purple?
Yep.
Urethral glands.
These are your glands. Yung mga
Glands
glands.
of Leiter.
Ha? This one.
Glands of Leiter ba yun?
Wala sila ng urethral glands.
Ano ka yung glands of Leiter?
Urethral glands.
Glands of Leiter.
Yung hmm. Glands of Leiter ba sa kwan yun? Sa male ba yon?
Male po ang
Ah.
pinakamadaming glands of Leiter.
Mas marami.
So,
Okay, there's no other. Anyway, probably this is the one because there's no other glands here except that one. Leiter, glands of Leiter. This is the urethra, okay, and this is you can call this urethral glands or glands of Leiter. Leiter. Your blood vessels, and here,
probably.
here, the blood vessels are it forms as a sinuses. Yung mga ito. Ano ba yan? Yun. Anong yung CS? Ano yung CS?
Cavernous spaces.
Cavernous spaces. Okay? This one is responsible for the erection. Ng penis. Yes. This one is being filled. Okay, any questions? Dito? Sige nga.
Prostate.
Prostate. Wala. Kinuha mo ba? Wala ko ba?
Wala. Pangit. Bago na ba to?
Bago po yan.
I want to eat. I feel like I'm just making
Pareho lang eh.
so no matter what, it's just
Pareho lang. Sana yung may mga corpora albitansya eh. Wala to eh.
Oh, so we're just screwed.
Sorry, so, ano na lang po? Ovary.
Ovary. So, first, let's look at this
Yeah, punta
one.
ko sa Richard.
Medyo faded na siya. What's this?
Primary.
Ha?
Private.
Tingnan natin. Ovary. This one? B? Ovum. Tingnan natin. Primary ba yun?
They all the same.
Sa penis.
Ito talaga yun ang favorite.
Yan.
Ovarian follicles.
This is your,
Bakit ito? Pag ganyan po, primary po yan.
ha?
Vesicular.
Vesicular.
Ano?
Hindi, nakihiwalay na siya eh.
Tiwala.
Vesicular.
Hindi. Okay lang yun. It's the same.
Vesicular.
Basta ang one lang niyan is, ganap tayo. Baka may nakadikit.
Di ba graph yan follicle na yun?
Follicle, yeah.
Di ba graph yan? Yung mature na.
Wow.
Kasi sa side lang nandiyan yung primordial.
Ha?
Nasa side yung primordial. Ito.
Dito. Ayun, nasa babaw.
Naon? Joke lang.
Oo nga. Mature na siya.
But this one is, ito muna. Dito muna tayo sa malaki, ha?
That's my food. Sorry. I can't think.
Okay. This one. Ito to. These are your theca granulosa cells. These are your granulosa cells. Okay. Outside are your theca cells. Or theca cells. Ito to. Flattened. Okay. And this one is your radiata ba yun? Radiata.
Corona radiata.
This one is your corona radiata. Okay? And
Wala na po yung cumulus na detach na.
ha?
Wala na po yung
Wala na.
Sa
Yung-
pellucida po yung cells.
Wala na eh. Sa loob ang pellucida. But you call this yung Ang primary follicle yung kanina. Ito. This one is already... Ito to. Ano ba to? Secondary na to. Secondary follicle.
Di ba po, Graphiana yan?
Ha?
Graphiana. Kasi yung secondary ko, partial pa lang yung antrum niya. Yan,
Wow.
buong antrum na po.
Doc, may
Hanap tayo.
ovary corpus luteum.
Hindi. Hanapin natin. Wala kasi yung one eh.
Wala po.
Dapat yung nakadikit pa. Ay, ito.
Ayun.
This one.
Guys,
Secondary.
Okay, this one is your secondary. Ito, nakadikit pa.
Tapos partial pa lang po yung antrum formation.
Oo. Okay. So, again, this is your primary. Dito. Yung mga primary pa lang to. Primary. Secondary. This one. Tingnan nyo na lang dyan ha. And your Graphian follicle. Okay? Follicle. So this one. This one, itong area na to, though it's not that clear, ito to. Kung titingnan nyo, comparing to doon, parang mga plump yung cells. Parang plump yung cells niya, di ba? High magnification. Some more. You'll notice that the cells, yung cytoplasm niya parang plump pink. Pero mas ma-appreciate nyo siya sa low magnification. This is your corpus luteum. Corpus luteum. Ito. Medyo faded na eh. Tingnan natin kung meron pa dito sa kabila. I think this one is another corpus luteum. Ito, ayun. Ito yung one, di ba? Yung secondary.
or ito po.
Oo. Ito to.
Nakadikit siya.
Nakadikit.
Kapag wala na graph.
Ito
Pag
to.
graphic.
Okay.
Hindi, meron pa rin graph. Yung ano sa ito. Ako siyang graph yun.
Okay. Sige. Correlate ko na lang dun sa...
Sir, corpus luteum.
Ayun, may corpus luteum right now. Ito, mas maganda ito mukhang. This one probably taken from human. Ito yung corpus luteum. This is the corpus luteum. You have your plump cells. Okay, corpus luteum. Another one, this is corpus luteum. This one is corpora albicantia, old corpus luteum. Ito. Ang dami naman itong corpus luteum.
Kami na po, sir.
Hindi pala to sa human kasi sa human usually isa lang. Ito ang dami. And
Kung may na-pause din, wala na yun.
Ay, corpus luteum.
this one is your follicle. Hindi undetermined kung ano siya. But the detached one are your granulosa cell layer. Okay? Ito yung granulosa cell layer. Mga round. And this one is your theca cell layer. Theca. You cannot, it's difficult to determine the externa and the interna.
Sir, uterus, pero dalawa po yung nandito. Hindi ko po alam kung ano maganda.
So in the uterus, this layer is your Anong tawag nyo dito? Endometrium. Okay, this one is your myometrium. Okay, let's go now. Okay, it's not clear kung anong one siya. But these are your endometrial gland.